Okay, in this question, a box contains apples, oranges, and pears. The ratio of the number of apples to the number of oranges was 7:2. The number of pears was 5:6, and always do this. Connect 5 to pears and connect 6 to apples and oranges. Yeah? Because it says here. After some apples were eaten, the total number of apples and the oranges was equal to the number of pears. There were 180 fruits left in the box in the end. How many apples were eaten? Alright, in this question, I want to add in another concept, which is repeated identity. Alright, okay, let's start. Okay, normally when you see such a long question, you probably may have no idea where to start. And what I can say is you always start from the first line, then you read on. Yeah, and this line is important and at the same time not important because you can't start off with a box contain apples, oranges, and pears. Yeah, so the next important line will be this one. So you can form a ratio of A is to O, 7:2, and next we have P is to A and O here, which is 5:6. Can you see that this is A and O and this is A and O? So to make it easy for you, I put A and O here and add up to become 9. Since this is A and O and this is A and O, we want to make it the same, right? So okay, in this case, this will be the repeated identity or subject or object. So the common multiple of 9 and 6 is 18. So times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Yeah, so we have 14 is to 4 is to 18 and 15 is to 18. Okay, now again, because there's a change here, so I want to create another table here. And in fact, there's only change for the apples and no change for the oranges and the pears. So this concept here will be same one, and the interesting thing about here is same one concept for 3 objects, because normally for same one we only see 2 subjects or 2 identities. Yeah, so we have A is to O is to P, and I always like to put before change after to make it neat, and I put same here because to remind me that there's no change for object and for oranges and pears. Yeah, so we have 14 is to 4 is to 15 from here, and then let's go back to here. The total number of pears and oranges was equal, the total number of apples and oranges was equal to the number of pears. So this and this should add up to become 15. And since there's no change for this, let's put 15. Since there's no change for this, let's put 4. And we know that from this sentence, A and O should be equal to 15. So to get 11, we will just take 15 minus off 4 to becomes 11. Yeah. And again, the total add up to become 30 units, because again, in all math problem sums, we need to use a number to solve to find the value of 1 unit. So 180 here is equals to 30U, and 1U is 6. And then there's a drop from 14U to 11U, which is 3U. So 3 times 6 is 18, and this is the answer.